President Drupadi Murmu said India will develop into a knowledge economy only when the digital divide is substantially bridged through the use of technology. She was addressing the gathering after giving away Digital India Awards 2022 today. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that India is on the rise as never before. The country has now become the global destination of opportunity and investment, said Dhankar while inaugurating the NCC Republic Day Camp 2023 in New Delhi this morning. The Supreme Court on Friday stopped the execution of the Meghalaya High Court order staying the Memorandum of Understanding signed by the Chief Minister of the two states for settling their festering boundary dispute. India on Saturday recorded 214 fresh coronavirus infections, while the number of active cases increased marginally to 2,509. According to the Union Health Ministry data, the total number of COVID-19 cases has climbed up to 4.46 crore. In cricket, India will take on Sri Lanka in the third and final T20 international at Rajkot today. The match will start at 7 p.m. The series is now level at 1-1. India won the first game in Mumbai by 2 runs on Tuesday, while visitors won the second encounter by 16 runs in Pune on Thursday.